Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial on how to transfer cryptocurrency from Coinbase to Binance. First, log in your Coinbase account. And then, you need to log into your Coinbase account. If you don't have one yet, you will need to sign up for an account on Coinbase. Once you're logged in, you should see your account dashboard. Navigate to the account section. Next, you will need to navigate to the account section. This can be done by clicking on the Accounts tab on the top menu. Once you are in the account section, you will need to select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Click on the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and it will take you to the page for the specific cryptocurrency. On the cryptocurrency page, you will see a send button. Click on this button to begin the transfer process. After clicking on the send button, you will be asked to enter the Binance wallet address where you want to send your cryptocurrency. To get the wallet address, go to your Binance account and navigate to the deposit section. Copy the wallet address and paste it to the Coinbase transfer form. After you have entered the wallet address, you will need to enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Double check the amount and the wallet address before clicking on the send button. Finally, you will be asked to confirm the transfer. Review the details carefully, and if everything looks good, click on the confirm button. Once you have confirmed the transfer, you will need to wait for the transfer to complete. This can take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the cryptocurrency and the network traffic. After the transfer is complete, you can check your Binance account to confirm that the funds have been transferred successfully. The funds should appear in your Binance account in the specific cryptocurrencies you transferred. And that's it, you have successfully transferred your cryptocurrency from Coinbase to Binance. So there you have it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.